BlackRock and other ETF companies have greatly affected Shiba Inu, but it seems this might be coming to an end. There's been a big rise in Shiba Inu's value and a significant success. This is the moment we've waited for so long. What is going on? What is BlackRock's connection to Shiba Inu? Sure, I'll explain. Disclaimer It's a tough time to be in the crypto world right now. Yesterday, the spot Bitcoin ETF had a large loss of more than $200 million. This has happened for 7 days in a row. Consider this for a moment. Bitcoin ETFs have seen 7 days in a row of money leaving them. To give you an idea, back in April, BlackRock grabbed attention with a remarkable 71-day run of Bitcoin ETF investments. That was a significant event. Many people were investing money in Bitcoin, and it looked like its rise would never end. Fast forward to today, and suddenly the tables have turned. Instead of having record high money coming in, we're now seeing a lot of money going out for 7 days in a row. It's surprising. BlackRock has successfully kept its losses at zero, but the Bitcoin ETF market has seen outflows for 7 consecutive days, which is a strong indication that there may be a problem. This doesn't only impact Bitcoin, it also influences the whole cryptocurrency market, especially Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu reacts strongly to changes in Bitcoin ETFs, so when Bitcoin falls, Shiba Inu also suffers. This kind of instability spreads throughout the market, which is why there is so much uncertainty right now. Shiba Inu owners are having a hard time right now. The negative news about Bitcoin ETFs is causing Shiba Inu's price to drop. It has been having a tough time recently, and nothing seems to help improve the situation like it did in February when the price suddenly jumped in just a few days. Imagine you are trying to grow a plant. You are doing everything correctly, watering it, giving it sunshine, and taking care of it. Then a storm arrives and begins to shake the plant. Even with care, the rain keeps hitting it, making it difficult for the plant to grow. That's how Shiba Inu buyers are feeling at the moment. They are trying hard to support their investment, but problems outside of their control, like the Bitcoin ETF situation, are making it very difficult for Shiba Inu to recover. It's frustrating because they can't manage the outside issues that are causing a lot of problems. What happened today is hard to believe. Despite Bitcoin ETFs seeing money leave for the 7th day in a row, which usually hurts Shiba Inu, today's news is surprising. Shiba Inu has actually seen a staggering 285% surge in large holder net flows, driven by some major whale activity. Data from Off the Block shows that Shiba Inu's big transaction volume has increased by 39% in the past 24 hours, totaling over $35 million, which is about 2.65 trillion Shiba Inu tokens. The increase in whale activity is important because it shows that major investors are making large changes in their holdings. This might be a major change for Shiba Inu. If big investors are buying even with the bad news about Bitcoin ETFs, it could mean Shiba Inu is starting to move independently from Bitcoin ETF trends. Shiba Inu might be developing its own direction and becoming less affected by problems in the overall crypto market. If this trend keeps going, it could help make Shiba Inu more stable and possibly lead to growth for the Shiba Inu group. This finding is a welcome change after a tough time. It's like finally seeing a bit of light after months of bad weather. The sudden positivity and whale interest could be just what the community needs to feel a renewed sense of hope and excitement about the future. Now this is where it gets exciting. Shiba Inu has been a tough investment lately, but there's a new way of looking at it that people are starting to notice. Market expert Javan Marks thinks it may be the right moment for a big increase. He believes that Shiba Inu could rise a lot and possibly hit new highs. In the last month, Shiba Inu's work has not been very impressive. It has been selling steadily for several weeks. A couple of weeks ago, there was a short moment of hope when the price went up, suggesting that a rise in value might be coming. But that hope didn't last long because the price soon dropped back to its previous level. Since the start of the month, it reached a new low but then improved a little. Even with these ups and downs, The renewed attention from big investors and the chance for improvement have many people in the Shiba Inu community feeling hopeful but careful. This might be the beginning of a better time, giving hope to those who have been struggling. Even though Shiba Inu hasn't performed well recently, expert Marks is still positive about its future in the next few weeks. He has seen several positive signs on the Relative Strength Index, RSI, which is a tool that helps measure price movement. His analysis indicates that the RSI patterns show Shiba Inu might experience a big increase, possibly more than 230%. Marks thinks the current rebound could push Shiba Inu prices back to their peak from earlier this year. Shiba Inu reached its highest value of the year in March, just 10 days after its price started to rise. That increase was significant and reached its best level in 3 years. This fast speed is common for Shiba Inu. It is known to quickly change in price when the right conditions are met. If prices start to go up again, they might rise quickly and a lot, not just a little. After peaking, Shiba Inu and the overall market started to decline. As a result, the token has lost more than 60% of its profits from the last 6 months. Even though there has been a drop in value, expert Marks thinks that Shiba Inu could regain its previous high, and that this is only one part of a bigger price increase. He views a goal of 0.00000048 as an important step for Shiba Inu's recovery. Marks believes that reaching this higher goal would be a big accomplishment. If Shiba Inu hits this level, investors who bought at lower prices could make a big profit of 480%. This goal is near Shiba Inu's highest value ever. If it is achieved, Shiba Inu will be almost at that record. Marks often talks about this target in his reviews. Even though it's taking longer than expected, he is hopeful. He believes that if things improve, Shiba Inu could rise to new heights and reach prices that have never been seen before. We really need to break the previous record now. Lucy is part of the Shiba Inu development team and has been an investor since 2021. She strongly believes in Shiba Inu's promise because of its strong past performance. CryptoBasic reports that in the first quarter of this year, the price of Shiba Inu rose sharply, going up by about 380% in just 10 days and hitting highs not seen since 2021. To put it simply, Shiba Inu's price was much lower earlier this year. The increase in its price to the highest point was impressive, giving owners about 7 times what they originally invested. This increase is very important for businesses. It's not just a normal gain. It's a big rise that can really improve their returns. This growth shows that Shiba Inu could make significant profits when the market is good. The recent increase in Shiba Inu's price has made people more confident that it could go even higher. The Shiba Inu Society is excited to see the price reach 1 cent. Some people may think the goal is far away, but Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu project team, feels it is definitely possible to achieve. She believes it will happen eventually, no matter how long it takes. Shiba Inu is currently trading at a low price, so it would need a huge jump to hit 1 cent. This goal is very important for the Shiba Inu Society. It helps them come together and gives them hope, especially when times are tough. The goal of reaching that 1 cent mark motivates them to stick together and get through the market's ups and downs. But what do you think about that? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you think. If you want to learn more, just click on one of the movies on the screen. This video has now come to an end. If you liked the video, please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me understand how YouTube works. Also, please let as many people know about this video as you can. Let's spread the word.